What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tiffany and Benson, aka Lady Arabella, and we are day 5 of VLogmas going strong. Now we're going to talk about today 3 tips on how you should be planning your Q1 as a business. So it is December. You guys should be thinking about these things and putting them all together so that you can have a successful 2021. Now, if you're interested, we will have a full workshop on this topic on next week on the 11th. So there will be a link down below in the description that you can sign up for the full workshop and really get your business going. But if you follow these 3 tips, then at least you will have a good start. Now, tip number 1 is going to be to know what you spent money on last year. So what I want you to do is go through all of your expenses for last year and make a list of where you spent your money, whether it was going to be on something that you needed for your business or business meetings or business trips or marketing or whatever product. I want you to make a list of all those different things that you did and then decide what's going to be keep and what's going to be a discard off of that list. So tip number 2 is that time is money. So I want you to next make a list of things that you are too busy to do. So in every business, you're going to get to a point where you're going to be too busy to do that. So you want to have either employees or have your business work in a way that it kind of gets it done for you. So the best thing to do is be able to figure out, okay, what are the things you absolutely need to do that nobody else in your business can do but you? And then what are the things that you can have either somebody else do, a virtual assistant, an employee, or a computer software program that can run that data or information or do that task for you. So make a list. Tip number 3 is going to be make a realistic budget of what you want to spend for 2021 for your business growth. So this can change over the course of the couple of months, like if your business starts making more money or if your business makes less money or whatever, but you want to put a budget on what you want to spend on the growth of your business. Now, the growth of your business can include extra marketing, it could include extra education, it can include extra staff, but what are you going to do and where are you willing to spend, what amount are you willing to spend in order to expand your business? Now, there's more things that you would want to consider when putting together your budget, which we'll be going over in the workshop class. So if you guys can make the workshop class, just link down below and you'll be able to get into that workshop class to get yourself really going for 2021. But organization is key, and kind of putting together a plan before it starts happening is what you want to do. So you don't want to wait until January 1st to say, okay, let's figure out what I'm going to do for 2021, because by then it's too late. Now your organization needs to happen right now so that then January 1st you're ready to set that plan into motion and have a successful year. So I hope this helped, and I hope you guys are starting to plan your businesses and starting to think about these different things. But until next time, fly high, my Bella butterflies.